happy that you are here in episode then, okay? So I will bring you now on our next page, Bonnie, and then you can start your first one-on-one conversation with other people. So thank you so much, dear. I hope you will enjoy here, okay? Bye for now. Happy birthday, dear. Thank
Thank you.
you. Hello, Ryan. Can you hear me?
Hello. Hi.
Hi, nice to
Mm.
meet you, Ryan. Welcome
Yeah.
here in Apikudan. I am May. I will be your welcome guide. So, Ryan, could you please tell me your name, also your age and where you came from?
Okay. My name is Rian Bagasanugrah.
Yes.
My country is Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Tunisia. How old are you, Ryan?
Um, this year 20.
20 years old.
20.
Ryan, I mean Rian. It's pronounced as Rian.
Yeah, Rian.
Rian Bagas Sanugra.
Yes.
Okay. So
Mm.
instead of Rian Bagas, I will change it into your, I mean, I will add the Sanugra. Is that okay? Ryan Bagas and then Sanugra. It spells Sanugrah.
What?
Sanugra. Um, how do you spell the Sanugra? Is it
H
Sanugrah?
N U G
Uh-huh.
N U G R A
Sanugra.
A. Wait,
Oh,
wait.
it's okay. It's okay. Just try. I mean, Rian
Yeah,
Bagas
Rian.
Anugra.
Anugrah.
Oh, without S.
Anugrah. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for that one. Okay, I will just edit this one. So it's Rian
Mm,
Bagas Anugra. I see. And
yeah.
then Rian, is this your first time joining in this application?
Yeah. First time.
That's nice.
Mm-mm.
How did you know about this platform, Rian? How did you discover episode then?
Uh, Social media.
Social media. Is it
Mm-mm.
from the TikTok, from the Instagram, from
Instagram.
the from the
Yeah,
Instagram
Instagram.
also. That's nice. One last question, Rian. Like, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do when you have free time?
My hobby.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, what are your hobbies?
Maybe play the soccer movie,
Playing
play
soccer.
football. Then
Mm-hmm.
apa?
It's okay. Yeah, thank you so
Andy
much for all
Kennedy.
your answers. So yeah, I can sense that you're kind of nervous. Just try to relax and enjoy on this platform, okay? So
Okay.
dear, I will bring you on the next page. Just please be
Okay.
reminded you have to show your face always. Be on a quiet place and only one person in the camera, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy here, Ian.
Bye
Bye for now.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.